Welcome back to the Big Reset Investment Channel, your go-to place for all things cryptocurrency. We're diving into some exciting territory today, folks. As many of you may already know, we're living in an era of remarkable shifts in the world of finance, and none more so than in the realm of digital assets. At the forefront of this sea change is Bitcoin, the world's largest and most well-known cryptocurrency. Now, you may have heard some buzz around Bitcoin's recent price movements. The talk of the town? A significant price pump sparking renewed interest and debate across the globe. And who better to guide us through these turbulent crypto waters than Michael Saylor? As the CEO of MicroStrategy, Saylor has been a vocal and influential figure within the Bitcoin community, known for his bullish stance on the cryptocurrency. Today we'll be discussing Michael Saylor's take on Bitcoin's recent price pump and his predictions for its future, so buckle up. It's going to be an enlightening journey through the world of crypto, a world that never ceases to amaze. Stay tuned and let's get this conversation started. Before we delve into the heart of the matter, let's quickly recap who Michael Saylor is. Michael Saylor, a name that has become synonymous with Bitcoin, is the CEO of MicroStrategy, a leading global provider of enterprise software and mobile solutions. But Saylor's claim to fame in recent years has been his unabashed and vocal support of Bitcoin. In the world of cryptocurrencies, Saylor's voice carries significant weight. And it's not just because he's an influential CEO. It's because he, along with his company, have put their money where their mouth is. MicroStrategy has turned its treasury into a Bitcoin reserve, buying over $1 billion worth of the cryptocurrency, a move that was seen as a significant vote of confidence in Bitcoin's future. Saylor's belief in Bitcoin goes beyond seeing it as just an investment. He views it as a form of digital gold, a new kind of asset that can act as a hedge against inflation and the devaluation of traditional currencies. Saylor's conviction in Bitcoin's potential is such that he's become a sort of evangelist for the cryptocurrency, championing its cause at every opportunity. But Saylor isn't just a Bitcoin enthusiast. In the broader cryptocurrency sphere, he's known as a Bitcoin maximalist. This means he believes Bitcoin is the only legitimate cryptocurrency, with other digital currencies being either worthless or scams. This stance has made him a somewhat polarizing figure, but also a fascinating one to follow. Saylor, with his company, has become one of the leading advocates for Bitcoin, making his insights particularly noteworthy. In the next segment, we'll be looking at his recent comments on Bitcoin's price and what he believes the future holds for the world's largest cryptocurrency. Let's dive into the recent surge in Bitcoin's price. Now, if you've been keeping tabs on the crypto world, you've probably noticed the buzz around Bitcoin's recent price pump. And the man behind this buzz is none other than Michael Saylor, the CEO of MicroStrategy. According to a Business Insider article, Saylor believes that Bitcoin has bottomed out and is now on a new bull run. What's causing this sudden upward swing? Saylor attributes it to a combination of factors, including Bitcoin's halving, increased adoption of the cryptocurrency, and a regulatory crackdown that could potentially weed out Bitcoin's competitors, such as Ethereum. He predicts that as regulation tightens, investor and developer interest will shift towards Bitcoin's network. Another significant milestone that Saylor highlights is the recent proposal by the Financial Accounting Standards Board for crypto accounting and reporting. This could lead to further mainstream adoption of Bitcoin, strengthening its position in the global financial ecosystem. And let's not forget about Bitcoin's halving and the migration of activity on its network. These are bullish factors that are contributing to Bitcoin's current upward trajectory. Despite facing a few challenges, Saylor is confident that Bitcoin has reached its bottom and is now on a bull run. Saylor believes that this bull run marks a new beginning for Bitcoin. It's a bold statement, but coming from a man who has been a long-time advocate of Bitcoin, it's worth considering. So, as we watch Bitcoin's price continue to climb, we can't help but wonder, are we on the brink of a new era for Bitcoin? Only time will tell, but for now, the crypto world is watching, waiting, and quite possibly celebrating. So what does this new bull run mean? And what is this bottom that Saylor is talking about? Let's dive right in. A bull run is a term used in the financial world to describe a market that is on the rise. It's named after the way a bull thrusts its horns up into the air. A bull run indicates that the prices of securities are rising or are expected to rise. When Michael Saylor speaks about a new bull run for Bitcoin, he is predicting a significant increase in its price. Now let's talk about the bottom. In financial markets, bottom refers to the lowest price reached by a security sector or market during a given period. Essentially, it's the point at which it can't go any lower. When Saylor says that Bitcoin has hit its bottom, he's suggesting that the lowest point in its market cycle has been reached, and the only way from here is up. But why does Saylor believe that Bitcoin is on a bull run and has hit its bottom? He attributes this to several factors. One of these factors is the halving of Bitcoin. Halving is an event where the reward for mining new blocks is halved, meaning miners receive 50% fewer Bitcoins for verifying transactions. Bitcoin halvings are scheduled to occur once every 210,000 blocks, roughly every 4 years, until the maximum supply of 21 million Bitcoins has been generated by the network. This scarcity is a significant driver of Bitcoin's price. Another factor is the increased adoption of Bitcoin. As more individuals and businesses start to recognize and utilize Bitcoin, demand rises. This increased demand, coupled with the limited supply, pushes the price up. Lastly, Saylor cites regulatory crackdowns as a boon for Bitcoin. While it may seem counterintuitive, Saylor believes that regulations will benefit Bitcoin by eliminating its competition, leading to more interest and investment in Bitcoin's network. According to Saylor, Bitcoin has weathered the storm and is now set to soar. If you think the recent price pump is exciting, wait until you hear what Saylor predicts for Bitcoin's future. Michael Saylor, the CEO of MicroStrategy, has been known for his bullish views on Bitcoin, and his latest prediction is no exception. He believes that Bitcoin's price has the potential to reach infinity. Now I know what you're thinking. Infinity? Really? But let's break down what this means. First off, when Saylor speaks of Bitcoin's price reaching infinity, he's not suggesting that a single Bitcoin will be worth an infinite amount of money. Instead, he's referring to the idea that Bitcoin's value will continue to rise indefinitely due to its limited supply and growing demand. Bitcoin, unlike traditional currencies, has a cap on its supply. Only 21 million Bitcoins will ever exist. This scarcity is one of the reasons why Bitcoin's value has been on a steady rise since its inception. As more people adopt Bitcoin, the demand increases, but the supply remains the same. This imbalance leads to a price increase. Saylor also points to Bitcoin's halving events as a significant factor in its price growth. Bitcoin's halving, which happens roughly every 4 years, cuts the reward for mining Bitcoin in half, further reducing the supply of new Bitcoins entering the market. This halving process will continue until all Bitcoins have been mined around the year 2140. So, in essence, Bitcoin's design ensures that its price action, theoretically, has the potential to reach infinity. However, it's important to note that Saylor's prediction is based on the assumption that Bitcoin will continue to be adopted at an increasing rate and that it will become the dominant form of money in the future. This assumption is not without its challenges. Regulatory hurdles, technological barriers, and market volatility are just a few of the obstacles that Bitcoin must overcome to achieve this status. Despite this, Saylor remains confident in his prediction, believing that Bitcoin's unique properties, such as its decentralization, security, and deflationary nature, position it well for widespread adoption and continual price growth. He sees Bitcoin not just as a digital currency, but as a store of value, a digital gold, if you will, that will continue to accrue value over time. Saylor's prediction of Bitcoin's price reaching infinity is bold, but in the world of cryptocurrency, anything is possible. The question on everyone's mind now is, what does this mean for us as investors? Well, if we take Michael Saylor's predictions as a guide, there are several potential implications. For starters, if Bitcoin is indeed on a bull run, as he suggests, it could mean big returns for those who have already invested or are considering investing in this cryptocurrency. As with any investment, there are risks, but the potential rewards could be substantial. Moreover, Saylor's belief that Bitcoin has reached its bottom suggests that now could be an opportune time to invest. If this is indeed the lowest point, then anything beyond this would mean growth and consequently profit for investors. But it's not just about potential financial gains. Saylor's predictions also hint at a future where Bitcoin plays a more significant role in our financial systems. His mention of a regulatory crackdown weeding out competitors like Ethereum suggests that Bitcoin could become the cryptocurrency of choice, further solidifying its position in the market. This could mean more stability and less risk for Bitcoin investors in the long run. Furthermore, the Financial Accounting Standards Board's proposal for crypto accounting and reporting, seen as a significant milestone, could lead to further mainstream adoption. This could also mean a larger pool of potential investors and increased liquidity for Bitcoin. However, it's important to remember that these are predictions, and like all predictions, they come with a degree of uncertainty. While Saylor is a respected figure in the world of cryptocurrency, his views are not universally shared. For instance, some see real innovation emerging outside of Bitcoin, such as Ethereum and Zcash. But whether you agree with Saylor or not, one thing is clear. The world of cryptocurrency is evolving rapidly, and these developments are worth keeping an eye on. Whether you're a seasoned investor or new to the game, staying informed and understanding the potential implications of these changes could be key to making smart, profitable investment decisions. Whether you're a seasoned investor or new to the game, these developments in the Bitcoin world are worth keeping an eye on. As we wrap up, it's clear that Bitcoin's journey is far from over. We've taken a deep dive into the world of cryptocurrency, focusing on Bitcoin, its recent price surge, and the bullish predictions from Michael Saylor. We've learned about the concept of a bottom in the crypto market and the potential for a bull run. We've also explored the intriguing idea of Bitcoin's price reaching infinity, a concept that might seem overwhelming but is a testament to the faith that investors like Saylor have in this digital currency. Moreover, we've looked at the implications this could have for investors, emphasizing the importance of informed decision-making in this volatile market. Crypto investments, particularly in Bitcoin, can offer substantial rewards, but they also come with their own set of risks. It's imperative that as investors we stay updated, do our research, and make strategic choices. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to The Big Reset Investment for more insightful videos on cryptocurrency. Until next time, keep investing wisely.